kindly.
I don't know what he has to say.
Your Honor, I do wish to confirm that CI Mustafa is actually an employee at DCI office. Unless he's an NIS officer, I do wish to oppose that particular application.
Prosecutor. Okay, which one?
Officer?
I have, let me just put what you said. I have 2 officers
Your name again?
from DCI.
Yes.
DCI. They are requesting
Actually, it's only one officer is requesting.
one,
Inspector Mustafa is requesting that we proceed in camera.
One.
Only him.
is
The other
requesting
officer is okay. The leader is okay.
to be heard in camera as he is involved covert violation. Mtiso, I'll just record what you've said, eh?
Yes.
Mustafa works for DCI and is not from NIS. For this, I oppose the application. Prosecutor, I thought such a things are done earlier, then we file an affidavit so that he can have a look at it, then is able to respond substantively. Just good practice. Those are my thoughts. You see, if somebody wants to be heard in camera, my thinking is you file an affidavit or an application. You can make the application orally, yes. But in such instances, it's best to file an affidavit.
I was informed today in the morning by the officer, just today in the morning. But the leader has no problem with the media, the cameras. We can proceed. The problem is the other officer. So unless maybe he presents the other officer, that is okay with us. If he presents the other officers. Yes. But I think I should ask questions also for them.
He has questions for both.
For both.
If I may, Your Honor, as far as the secrecy of his duties are concerned, this is an officer who is actually stationed at headquarters within the cyber crimes department and the serious crimes unit. I have personally encountered him in not only this matter but several matters. Not only this matter, but he has also appeared on a video in the matter of arresting Ghost Guru. So he has no anonymity as far as the public interest is concerned. The second matter, Your Honor, as far as this matter is concerned, his name appears on documentations. If in any case indeed severe anonymity was required, that his name should have actually been erased on the documents which are already in my possession. The other thing is that as far as this matter is concerned, he has not only appeared in courts several occasions, therefore I don't understand why this particular application is coming at this particular moment. Mind you, it's because of the gravity of the matter. And I want to understand the nature as far as how this case has actually been handled. Therefore, that's why we oppose this particular application.
Actually, is the first time he's appearing. He has never appeared in court in regards to this case. It's the very first time Inspector is appearing. And all along is the...
I'm just trying to think around this, work it midstream. I can see he's wearing a mask, I guess, because I know people work in my courtroom. He can maintain his mask. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, no, that is okay.
Is that okay with him? Is it okay with you?
No, that's okay.
From this honorable court, in relation to allegations therein as filed by the applicants, and we intend to respond to the said allegations therein. Upon receipt,
Just by the applicants. Yes. Proceed.
in response to the same, we filed a replying affidavit
We filed replying affidavit
dated 30th of last month,
dated 30th September. Wish to adapt it?
Yes, we intend to use it to guide us in our response. And for this case scenario, we intended for both of the respondents.
Proceed.
Your Honor, upon receipt of the said summons with attached therein the allegations, copies of the allegations therein as filed by the first and the third applicant through their counsel, we were able to peruse the so alleged report supporting the allegations therein.
The report supporting the allegations. Yes.
And this is our response.
Yes.
Your Honor, we are guided.
Yes.
We are guided by our mandate to investigate
Yes.
and prosecution to prosecute, that is, give advice and directions in active investigations. And thereof, we stick categorically to the allegation, into response to the allegations therein. Dated 30th of September this year.
Yes.
We have tried to demonstrate to this honorable court
Demonstrate.
that the allegations
Yes.
are cited in the said report
Said report.
that we have highlighted as B6 and B7 respectively,
B6
and B7 respectively.
B7 respectively. Yes.
That the allegations are indeed false,
Indeed false.
since at no material time
No material time. Yes.
did the respondents cause installation
Did respondents cause installations
use or facilitated the so-said spyware or malware,
it's called what? Source?
the so-called spyware, to which
So-called
FlexiSpy
spy. Yes.
or any unauthorized surveillance software
Authorized surveillance.
on the said electronic gadgets. We further
electronic gadgets. Yes.
As the respondents, we further inform this honorable court
this honorable court, yes,
that indeed when we sought forensic where we conducted forensic examination on the applicant's gadgets, the four applicants' gadgets.
Forensic on the 4 applicants' gadgets, yes.
We were guided by a search warrant to authorize examination.
Search warrant. Yes.
That is miscellaneous application E1606 of 2025.
Miscellaneous
E1606 of 2025.
1606 of 2025.
And further to that, the applicant's gadgets
yes,
had been subjected to forensics analysis.
Just only had been subjected to forensic analysis.
Exhibit memos.
Yes.
We have highlighted in our affidavit as B4 and B5 respectively.
Highlighted as B5.
B4 and B5 respectively.
B4 and B5 respectively.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Further to our response.
Yes.
And in relation to subjecting to analysis.
Yes. And
at no point
in relation analysis
or during the conducting of the forensic,
at no point or during
the forensic examination, were the applicant electronic gadgets
the applicant's electronic gadgets, yes,
loud and clear, altered, interfered with, beyond any lawful forensic examination procedure,
any lawful examination procedure,
and the said examinations
yes,
were conducted transparently, as I've earlier on illustrated vis-a-vis the miscellaneous and exhibit memo instructions.
Yes.
In view of all that, Your Honor,
yes,
the applicant's alleged reports claims are unsubstantiated,
yes,
not supported by any verifiable forensic evidence,
not supported by any verifiable
forensic evidence
Forensic evidence.
that we would say would link the alleged spyware
That will link the alleged
spyware to it Flexi Spy.
spyware
To it Flexi Spy.
Yes.
To the respondent herein or their professional fraternity, as we can say so. Independent fraternity.
Independent fraternity.
Your Honor,
Fraternity.
Your Honor,
Yes.
the applicant's alleged report
Applicants alleged report. Yes.
which they purport to have forensically examined their electronic gadgets
They report to have forensically examined. Yes.
if you clearly resemble the purported report.
Just a minute. Hello, proceed.
Your Honor,
Yes.
the applicant's alleged reports purportedly to have forensically examined the electronic gadgets.
Yes.
If you look at the purported reports,
Gadget. If you look, yes,
at the purported report, that is, we have highlighted as B6 and B7.
at the report, B6 and B7, eh?
Yes.
And B7, yes.
Have not clearly disclosed the full identities of
Not
the examined or their analyzed gadgets,
disclose the full identity of
their so-said analyzed gadgets,
their sources.
their so-said analyzed gadgets.
Their sources analyzed
Hence,
gadgets. Hence,
we cannot say what was clear, whether there is a clear demonstration of what was actually examined.
there was clear indication on what was examined.
Mode of examination adopted.
Mode of examination adopted, yes,
And of vital essence, Your Honor,
and of vital essence,
the forensics tools
forensic tools
that maybe they could have employed in their so-said examination
they may have did in their examination. Yes,
and not to forget, Your Honor,
not to forget. Yes,
the author of the so-said report
the author of the so said report. Yes,
has not provided an electronic certificate to that effect.
has not provided an electronic certificate to that report. Yes,
In addition, Your Honor,
and
in addition, Your Honor,
in addition, yes, categorically, yes,
it has not identified for us
it has not identified for us
the ultimate consumer of the so data collected.
ultimate consumer of the so data collected.
I wish at this point, Your Honor,
Yes.
To reiterate and indicate to this honorable court
Reiterate and indicate, yes,
that DCI
that DCI, yes,
is an independent institution.
I mean, is an independent institution, yes.
And as we continue to adopt a proactive and a professional approach in investigation and securing our nation,
adopt a proactive and
professional approach,
you said proactive, the other word is
proactive,
after proactive
and professional approach,
yes, professional approach, yes,
in investigations and securing our nation, our beloved country, Kenya.
Investigation and securing our beloved country, Kenya.
We remain to uphold justice.
Kenya. We remain to uphold justice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Justice, yes.
Integrity. And impartiality.
And
as we've clearly demonstrated,
as we have clearly demonstrated
through seeking warrants to investigate or subject to forensic analysis from honorable courts,
warrants investigate. Yes.
And bearing that in mind, Your Honor,
that in mind, yes,
I affirm my belief as one of, or for both of the respondents therein,
respondents, yes,
as we've been guided by prosecution that we remain to conduct our mandate and prosecution their mandate
to conduct our mandate, yes,
that as I disclose to this court that what made the gadgets to be subjected to analysis,
what made the gadgets
was
just to be subjected to forensics, yes,
analysis was investigations and which we have proceeded to forward the duplicate inquiry file to ODPP.
We have proceeded to forward the
duplicate inquiry file.
Duplicate inquiry file, DPP, yes,
for them to achieve their mandates, independent mandate.
Them to achieve their independent mandate.
Again, bearing that in mind, Your Honor.
Again, bearing that in mind, yes.
The said investigation was conducted according to the law and procedure.
The said investigation was conducted according to law. Yes.
While preserving integrity of the exhibits in question at all times.
Preserving the integrity
of the exhibits in question at all times.
Of the exhibits in question at all times.
And I have demonstrated through my affidavit to this honorable court.
Demonstrated, yes.
vis-a-vis
Submit through my affidavit, yes.
to this honorable court through my bundle of documents as highlighted B3 and B8 respectively,
B3 and B8, yes.
which
Respectively, yes.
which can at least show some level of chain of custody and integrity of handling the said exhibits while undergoing examinations. And during
Which shows chain of custody
and a clear
indication
of preservation of integrity of the exhibits.
Preservation of integrity of the investigations.
And the exhibits
Yes.
during forensic examination
During forensic examination.
and after forensic examination
After forensic examination.
and as further guided
As further guided.
by the directives of this honorable court
Directives of the court, yes.
on the 30th day of is it June or July? June 2025.
June 2025, yes.
To release the said gadgets to their rightful owner, bearing in mind the four applicants therein. I pray that this honorable court
Yes. I pray that this honorable court, yes,
continues to issue lawful directions to
issue lawful
to the matter being deliberated upon
actions to the matter being deliberated upon, yes.
that the allegations by the applicants herein
Allegations to the applicant.
by the applicant herein
Applicants herein, yes.
through, of course, their counsel
Counsel, yes.
is contrary to us, the respondents' mandate,
To us, the respondents'
mandate,
mandate, yes.
comma, ability,
Ability,
capacity,
capacity,
skill set,
skill set,
or any empowering law in relation to a mandate.
in relation to our mandates, yes.
And hence the alleged possession of
Hence, the alleged possession
of,
of,
comma,
yes,
or to install the said spire
install
to which
the
Flexi
said
Spy
since spyware, yes,
culminates
yes,
to an act of tarnishing
an act of tarnishing
the professionalism
professionalism, yes,
image
image,
integrity
integrity
of an esteemed independent institution
esteemed independent institution
with the sole mandate of investigating,
So, mandate
among others,
investigating among others.
and thus,
Yes.
among other duties, that is,
Yes. I would say among other duties already.
yes,
Yes.
thus, Your Honor,
Yes.
we as the respondents and as DCI maintains
As the respondents and DCI maintains, yes,
that the sole allegations brought forward before this court by the applicants through their counsel
shows by the applicants through their counsel, yes,
are false to the best of our knowledge.
false to the best.
Indeed, Your Honor,
Knowledge. Indeed, yes.
we are of the belief
We have of the belief, yes,
that the applicants hearing, Your Honor,
the applicant
as guided by their counsel,
guided by their counsels, yes,
have frog-matched these allegations before you, Your Honor,
right. The allegations, yes,
which appears to us as a strategy,
have obstructed, just a minute, which appears,
to us as a strategy,
yes, to us as a strategy
for them to discredit,
for them
to discredit
to discredit, yes,
a reputation of an independent institution, as I've said,
reputation
conducting investigations,
of an independent institution.
and I further pray to this court
I further pray to this court, yes,
not to be dissuaded or rather divert the attention from,
be dissuaded
or rather divert its attention
further divert its
as we await further directions from ODPP
as we await further directions
bearing in mind
from ODPP, bearing in mind, yes,
the substantive evidence already collected,
in mind the substantive evidence already collected.
yes, Your Honor,
Evidence, just a minute. Already collected.
and if such diversion is done,
If such diversion is done, yes,
could probably insinuate
we insinuate, yes,
interference with respondent mandate to investigate
interference with
respondent's mandate to investigate
mandate to investigate,
and most likely ODPP's mandate to prosecute.
most likely ODPP's mandate to prosecute,
Yes, Your Honor.
prosecute,
Further to that, Your Honor,
yes, further, yes,
I believe, or the respondents believe,
I believe, or we believe, the respondents, yes,
that the applicants, through indeed their counsel,
that the applicants
are making trials,
their counsel
through these application, Your Honor.
I'm making what?
Trials.
I'm making trials through these applications, yes.
To subvert the criminal justice system.
Subvert the criminal justice system.
As the issues they are trying to bring forward.
The issue they are trying.
Rather, the allegations they are trying to bring forward.
Yes.
If they exist.
If they exist. Yes.
They are probably. I stand guided.
Probably. Yes.
I'm of the belief. The respondents are of the belief.
Of the view. Yes.
Are within the province.
The province, yes.
And competence.
And competence.
Of the Honorable Court.
Competence of the Honorable Court, yes.
To hear and determine.
To hear and determine, yes.
Once directions are issued by ODPP.
Once directions are issued by the ODPP, yes.
And charges identified.
And charges identified.
And preferred to.
And preferred to court, yes.
To the suspect therein who will be found culpable.
To the suspect who will be found culpable. Yes.
Culpable. As prosecution continues, Your Honor.
As prosecution continues.
As I come to the end of my averment, Your Honor.
Yes.
I believe the said report.
I believe. Yes.
Is a pure mockery.
It is a pure mockery.
To what we believe is forensics.
To what we believe is forensic. Yes.
And I pray to this boldly, to this honorable court.
Boldly to the court, yes.
That the so said application.
So said application, yes.
Be dismissed.
Be dismissed.
Without merit.
Yes.
And the applicants so guided by this honorable court.
Be guided.
Finally, Your Honor. Indeed, we as the respondents.
Finally, we as the respondents.
We're indeed grateful to this honorable court.
Grateful. Honorable court, yes.
For the courteous chance.
For the courteous chance, yes.
To be able to present our response in regard to the allegations brought forward, Your Honor.
To present our response.
Thank you for your time, Your Honor.
Lead him to ask. Still your time. Are you okay? It's taking his time. Or something you wish him to highlight. think it's quite covered.
Yes, you know, you have covered all
Quite a
the
bit.
issues.
Perhaps something is skipped that you caught.
Your Honor,
Yes.
we have continued to follow your directives.
Yes.
As you look at the bundle of documents highlighted as B3, we released the gadgets as you directed, and we confirmed compliance before this honorable court. We further documented the same in the presence of the applicants and their counsel.
Documented the same in the presence of the applicants.
The said release disavowed the bundle of documents highlighted as B8.
Yes.
We have so far demonstrated to this honorable court the level of integrity preserved. Use the word exhibits.
Yes.
We surveyed the bundle of documents highlighted
The bundle of documents highlighted
as B4 and B5 respectively.
B4 and B5 respectively.
Your Honor,
Yes.
as per the source,
Evidence on the merits of the case. Yona, as you speak, none has been charged.
I put that
Yona, they are
Just-
saying
just
this
a
file.
minute. I put that on record.
Yona, it appears now you're going to the merits of the case. It's like you're hearing the case and none has been charged. Yona, as Ayo has said, the file has been taken to the audit before directions. And Yona, initially, the application was
I'm asking you that I put that on record.
yes, it's okay.
Because if I put it on record, then you need to reply. I thought perhaps if it's okay with you, he does his cross-examination. I'll have then I hear what this direction is going. I think at some point I'll then can submit, then I can make a small finding.
Your Honor, this is categorically a replying affidavit in support of my response to the allegations brought forward by the applicants therein.
Therefore, my question is very simple. Can you confirm these are your own words?
This is on behalf of the respondents, my response
So
in
you're speaking on behalf
response
of
to,
the Director of Criminal Investigations.
in reference to the respondents as per the summons. And as per
So
my
just for so that we cut on time, just confirm that that's your signature in the affidavit.
yes, Your Honor.
Could you confirm, or rather, what is your education backgrounds as so far as your work is concerned with the Directorate of Criminal Investigation?
Your Honor, I believe here we are to respond to the allegations therein. My profession or my education background is irrelevant.
Just listen to me very clearly.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your affidavit,
Yes, Your Honor.
you have given evidence based on forensic matters. Is that correct?
It is not in relation to forensics. It is in response to the allegations
Therefore,
therein.
based on your affidavit, I want to know what is your background as so far as your work is concerned. What is your educational background?
Based on the affidavit, I filed the same as an investigator
Mr.
and
Kenya,
as the
Mr.
respondent.
Kenya, can you stop averting my question? It's a very simple. If you don't wish to answer, it's okay. I'm asking you, what is your educational background? Or simple, do you have any educational background on forensics, on cybersecurity, on technological affairs, do you have any educational background into that? Yes or no?
Your Honor, I have so far for the last 4 years been a cybercrime investigator, Your Honor. I believe I'm more than capable to respond to the allegations therein.
Mr. Kinyo, my question is, I just want to know if you have any educational background. If you do not have any degrees, it's okay. Just say yes or no.
Your Honor, I have a degree, but I am here in the capacity
Mr.
of
Kinyo,
the respondent.
I'll ask you again, and this is my final time asking you a question, unless I'll actually ask you to be marked as a hostile witness. Do you have educational background in technology? Yes or no?
Your Honor, for the purpose of clarity and benefit of doubt, I have gone a certification course in the National Forensic Science University based in India.
Yes, and course in
Certification in it's simple words, cybersecurity in National Forensics and Science University in India.
National what?
Forensic Science University.
Forensic Science University.
That is in Gujarat State, Gadinagar, in India.
Based on
I've further undergone trainings and workshops over my career period as a cybercrime investigator.
And workshops
as fully funded by the Exchequer. That is in addition to my basic and initial training, police training,
yes.
My managerial training,
yes.
and other relevant trainings as will be at any material time imposed by my employer in relation to my career as an investigator. Not forgetting my undergraduate degree, that is.
What is your undergraduate degrees under what course?
Your Honor, I'm here to respond to allegations,
You've already opened
not
the door to the
dismantle
question.
my education background.
I just want to understand. I want to understand you as an investigator. So, what is your undergraduate degree? What is your bachelor's degree? If you do not wish to answer, you can skip.
I'm not comfortable to answer that at this material time, Your Honor.
Okay, that's all. Based on this particular affidavit,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you also swearing this affidavit on behalf of the Digital Forensic Unit?
Your Honor, I'm empowered to respond to the allegations therein, bearing in mind I am one of the investigators, in fact the lead investigator in the prevalent matter that is currently awaiting directions.
Yes.
And that's competent and authorized to respond effectively to these allegations herein.
So, as far as this matter is concerned and this affidavit is concerned,
Yes, Your Honor.
do you have authority from the head of Digital Forensic Unit to swear this affidavit on the contents that you presented us?
Your Honor, I'll bear in mind the bundle of documents as I highlighted B1 and B2 from this honorable court, as well served to me through the ODPP. I believe from the highlighted documents and marked highlighted documents B1 and B2, the court believe I am competent enough to respond to the allegations therein.
Mr. Kenyon, were you present in court on the 15th of September?
Your Honor, if I may,
Proceed.
on the 15th, if I can recall, on the 15th day of September,
Mr. Kenyon, it's a yes or no if you're not present.
I was engaged in other official duties.
Thank you.
I received communication
Listen to
from...
my next question.
Yes.
On the 15th of September,
Yes, Your Honor.
the cause of this particular mention
Yes, Your Honor.
was to confirm
Yes, Your Honor.
whether the DCI
Yes, Your Honor.
has indeed charged,
Yes, Your Honor.
through the VPP, has charged the applicants.
Yes, Your Honor.
Failure of that, the other cause of the mention was to determine the probable cause of investigating the said applicants.
Yes, Your Honor.
In absence of that, was to obtain the documentation, in this case the forensic report, as far as the investigation is concerned. Therefore, since you have pre-test, you have sworn an affidavit
Yes, Your Honor.
into the crux of a document that I filed in court.
Your Honor.
I haven't finished my question. Based on that,
Yes, Your
can
Honor.
you tell that the affidavit that you have sworn
Yes, Your
you
Honor.
have just answered into the issues of that report and not into the other three matters I have raised?
Your Honor, if I'm candid enough to this court, which I'm addicted since I'm under oath, the information that was brought to my attention by prosecution counsel and start guided within this court, I was to respond to the summons, Your Honor. There was attached the allegation of the suicide report, Your Honor, and I was guided, duly guided, to file my response in relation to the allegations therein. The issues of what is just being brought to my attention right now as we speak.
Based on your affidavit, and
Yes, Your
as
Honor.
per your answer that you have highlighted herein,
Yes, Your Honor.
you have stated that in paragraph 19,
Yes, Your Honor.
that indeed there was no spyware which was implanted in our applicants' devices.
Your Honor, I believe, is that, you do mind come again on paragraph 19?
In paragraph 19,
Yes.
it states
Yes, Your Honor.
they have had allegations by the applicants
Yes, Your Honor.
hearing through counsel
Yes.
is contrary to the respondent's mandate, ability,
Yes, Your
and
Honor.
capacity.
Yes.
Going into the third statement, third line of that paragraph, to install said spyware, to which FlexiSpy, leads to an act of tarnishing professionalism, image, integrity of an esteemed independent institution. So, based on that particular paragraph,
Yes, Your Honor.
do you have, rather in your knowledge, full knowledge and authority, that indeed the Digital Forensic Lab not have any part in this relation?
Your Honor, in response to, paragraph is in response to allegations brought forward, which I was compelled to come respond to the same. From evaluating, or rather getting to see what was alleged, it is clear that the respondent, the applicant hearing has not demonstrated whether we did it,
Which is okay. I'm asking
our
you,
ability,
I'm asking you,
capability.
Mr. Kenyo,
But, Your Honor, in regard to our mandate, or rather, as I've clearly demonstrated to this honorable court, we work under clear guidelines of, for instance, the miscellaneous application is subjected to forensic analysis, and clear guidelines vis-a-vis the exhibit memo.
okay. Mr. Kenyo, just to simplify, do you have any written documentation from the Digital Forensic Lab showing that indeed no spyware was ever installed in the applicant's gadgets?
Your Honor, I believe we are dealing with allegations herein, not disembarking on already collected evidence that is awaiting directions from
So
ODPP.
based on your answer right now,
Yes, Your Honor.
based on your answer right now and your affidavit,
Yes, Your Honor.
this particular statement that you've given, and also as per your replying affidavit,
Yes, Your Honor.
there is no internal documentations directing you to say that there is no particular, there's no confirmation of such practice by being installed in the gadget.
Your Honor, I have categorically demonstrated to this court that I am empowered vis-a-vis the summons to respond to the allegations. Bearing in mind, I've illustrated to this court, I am the lead investigator in the matter awaiting directions.
Okay. Mr. Kinyo, when the said gadgets were brought to the DCI,
Yes, Your Honor.
were you the officer who did the forensic analysis of the said gadgets?
Your Honor, I've more with time indicated to this court, I am a lead investigator.
Mr.
We
Kinyo,
work in a team. I sought orders to subject forensic
Mr. Kinyo,
analysis.
I'm asking you a very simple question.
Yes, Your Honor.
Once you were given these gadgets
Yes, Your Honor.
belonging to my applicants,
Yes, Your
are
Honor.
you the officer who did the forensic analysis on the said gadgets?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Once the gadgets were brought to DCI,
Yes, Your Honor.
who in particular was handed the gadgets for forensic analysis in the forensic lab?
Your Honor, we have demonstrated categorically clear to this honorable court vis-a-vis the bundle of documents as highlighted B4 and B5 for the lawful procedure for forensics upon our intention, or rather as we effect our mandate as empowered by the miscellaneous subject forensic analysis. It is vis-a-vis the exhibit memo.
As per that particular exhibit form, can you tell me exactly who in particular received this particular gadgets in the forensic lab?
Your Honor, during the material time in question, our mandate in terms of exploitation on the examination of the so-said exhibit therein, we leave it to the forensics upon the exhibit memo with clear instructions. From thereafter, I'm not aware. It's a whole department. It is a different
Mr. Kinyo,
institution to be.
when you work in your office,
Yes, Your Honor.
there is a movement book, is there?
Come again.
There is a movement book. When you handle one particular file to another particular officer,
The word,
there-
I believe, Your Honor, the word is handing over notes.
yes. Based on that, who in the digital forensic department was this particular gadget handed to?
Your Honor, I did handle as per the exhibit, which is clear, paper and ink on the exhibit now.
Do you go and leave the gadgets just there in the office, or do you go to
We
the
handle
specific
vis-a-vis
register?
this, and if you can look categorically on the so-said bundle of documents,
Yes.
there is receipt.
Yes. I'm asking you, there is all that written here,
Yes,
but you do not go and hand over an item to an unknown person or leave it in a shelf, right?
Your Honor, proof of receipt is this. Beyond that,
Who's the head of digital forensic lab?
Your Honor, definitely there is indeed able leadership down there, but
Who's the head
it's
of
different.
digital forensic lab? If you don't know, it's if you
I'm
don't
an
know.
investigator.
Do you know who's the head of the forensic labs?
I believe in a day-to-day activities, our focus being an investigator.
I'm asking you, do you know who's the head of forensic lab? Do you know the head person?
I believe there is able leadership, but my focus is
Mr. King,
investigation.
if you do not know, you do not know. We don't need to cover it. If you do not know, we can skip.
I'm purely an investigator.
Yes, do you know or not?
I'm an investigator.
You're
If you ask me
very
from
good. We have
the whole
established you're an investigator.
command for
Do you know
investigation,
or do you
I'll
not?
give you this one. I'm an investigator.
So you don't know.
I'm purely stick to the one. I am an investigator.
Based on your extensive replying affidavit,
Yes, Your Honor.
could you state
Yes, Your Honor.
what was the reason for the arrest of the 4 applicants?
Your Honor, we have demonstrated to this court that we conducted as per our mandate, forwarded the file for ODPP. We are now awaiting prosecution to now start conducting their mandate. So at this material time, Your Honor,
listen to my question very clearly.
I'm not obliged to disclose evidence in that file.
Mr. Kinyo, listen to my question very clearly. Are you aware of what Article 49(1) says of the Constitution?
Your Honor, I stand enlightened.
It speaks on the rights of arrested person. Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
When you are arresting a person, are you mandated to inform them on the reason for arrest? Yes or no?
It is clear. You should be informed.
Okay. Based on your statements and your replying affidavit, you have stated you're the lead investigator, yes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Therefore, in your capacity, you know the reasons on why the accused persons were arrested, yes or no?
Your Honor, as clearly highlighted on my ground number 6, the 4 applicants were released on free bond.
What was the reason for arrest?
Indeed, there were various violations of cyber crimes.
Could you give in specific what violations?
I stand guided here.
By whom?
The matter is under direction, awaiting directions.
Does the ODPP give directions on who to arrest?
Doesn't, but
Does
as
the
we speak,
ODPP give directions on who to arrest?
that is my mandate.
Mr. Kami, listen to me very carefully.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have agreed with me
Yes.
that a police officer is mandated to inform any person on the reasons for arrest. Yes?
That is within their rights.
Yes. Therefore, as the lead investigator, you have stated that the accused persons were arrested for cyber crimes. Is that correct?
I've categorically indicated violations of various.
Therefore, so that we don't know waste time, give me 2 reasons on the said violations.
At the moment, which I have clearly demonstrated,
Mr. Kinyo,
I
you're the
cannot
lead investigator.
further
Mr.
disclose.
Kinyo, listen to me very carefully. You're the lead investigator this year on this particular matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the knowledge and information on why the said accused persons were arrested. Tell the court on why they were arrested in the first place.
Your Honor, then there were reasons, beyond reasons for conducting investigations. We followed the law.
Mr. Kinyo,
We investigated.
tell the
before
court
the-
the reason for arrest.
As I speak, Your Honor, the file is awaiting directions.
Mr. Kinyo, tell the court the reason for their arrest. It's a very simple question. If you do not know the reason for arrest, we'll skip. I'm very cordial. If you do not know the reason, we can skip to the next question.
Proceed.
Do you know the reason why they're arrested?
Proceed.
That's my question. If you do not know, we'll go to the next question.
That was then. They were released on free body. Your Honor.
Yes, they were released. I'm asking you, what was the reason for the initial arrest?
I've categorically indicated, Your Honor, there were violations of various cyber crimes
Therefore,
that
give me
was
one.
under investigation.
Give me one.
Then,
Give me one reason.
Your Honor, this was well enshrined in, as we look at the ground number 7 of my affidavit, it was clearly enshrined then under the miscellaneous application for subjecting the gadget to forensics.
Were you the officer who filed the miscellaneous application?
Yes, I believe it is.
So you know the
My-
reason for arrest? Yes.
Then,
So initially, then you made a wrongful arrest. That's your admission.
no, since the file is forwarded, there was no wrongful arrest.
So there was no need for arrest.
lawful arrest.
It was a lawful arrest.
Lawful arrest.
So what was the reason for arrest?
The violations that were clearly articulated. The
Give me
documents.
one. You're the lead investigator. Be serious.
I feel at this material time, you want me to disclose.
Do you
some
know
charges,
the
and I'm
reason?
not in a capacity.
They had the right to be informed.
Then
Up
they
to
were
date, they don't
informed.
know why they were arrested.
You
So
know you are the counsel.
I'm asking you, you're the arresting officer or you're the lead investigator. So if you
Yes,
do not
Your
know,
Honor.
just tell me you do not know.
It was well enshrined under that application.
Yes, it is your application. So
Yes,
tell
Your
me,
Honor.
here's the application, make reference to it. Show me why they were arrested. Check. It's your application. Look for the reason there.
I can see from that time there was one publication.
Look at the traces of offense.
Yes, Your Honor.
In the said particular traces of offense,
Yes, Your Honor.
you state that you're investigating the said for rather for my clients in regards to the publication of Blood Parliament BBC Africa documentary. Is that correct?
Your Honor, for an investigation procedure, there must be at least a basis. What are you investigating? For that material case, which is currently awaiting direction, there was basis. That's why the file is already, we've managed to do a mandate, and we are waiting further directions from ODPP.
So we can confirm that the said individuals are in investigation because of that publication.
At that material time, there was reason.
So what about this particular time? Is there a reason for them to be under investigation?
I've clearly demonstrated, Your Honor, to this honorable court that I am awaiting directions. And which is not my mandate.
You're stating that previously, or rather, I don't know what you're insinuating, that they are in investigation because of the BBC.
Which is
Parliament.
quite clear upon my mandate, bestowed mandate.
Just, this is your documentation. I just want to confirm that's what's written there. Right?
Yes.
Okay. As so far as this particular B4, the annexure is concerned, who was indeed the complainant as far as this matter is concerned?
Your Honor, at this material time, we are waiting directions. He's pushing me to the end to disclose.
Mr. Kenyo,
which I'm awaiting directions.
On this particular documentation, I'm not asking you something which is not in your knowledge. I'm not asking you to give me something out of the blue. It's something which you've already published. So I'm asking you, there, it's written name of the complainant, which you have written Republic through. So I want to know who's the complainant. The Republic of Kenya is the complainant?
Your Honor, at that material time when I was conducting investigations,
Mr. Kenyo,
there must be
Mr. Kenyo, it's a very simple question. Know who's the complainant. Is that true or not?
Your Honor, the issue of who and who might not be a complainant is not a facting issue. We are responding to the allegations herein.
Mr. Kenyo,
which is
Mr. Kenyo,
on record.
You cannot box me on what I should not ask. There's a whole document you have submitted.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this your document or not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Therefore, answer the question. Who's the complainant as based on your documents?
At that material time, there was the Republic. It was us who was conducting investigations.
So the DCI is the complainant?
I have not indicated the DCI.
So you've written Republic. So who's the complainant? I want clarity. Who's the complainant?
It is well enshrined in ink, Your Honor. It's the Republic.
The Republic. So you have no idea who's the complainant?
I have not indicated to this honorable court, Your Honor, that I'm not aware, or have I?
If you do not know, we can just skip to the next question. Based on this same B4.
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you tell the court on what was the probable cause of investigating the said individual?
Your Honor.
How it has led you here?
Yes, Your Honor. At the material period in question, when we were conducting investigations, there were some clear threats to national security, which indeed we are mandated to conduct our mandate, and we have already done that before the file to ODPP for directions.
Where did the threats enumerate from?
Your Honor, that is what is the evidence that is awaiting directions to clear guide an independent institution on their mandate to assist us prefer charges.
Based on your replying affidavit,
yes, Your Honor.
You allege that you have already forwarded the file to the ODPP.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
When did you forward the file to the ODPP?
If I can refresh my archives, I don't have this whole seed file here, so I cannot be able to give you the exact.
Was it last month?
I'll be misleading this court if I speculate.
Mr. Kenyo, you're the lead investigator.
And I have a team. I work with a team.
You're the lead investigator,
because I can't be jack of all trades.
You're
I
the
have
lead.
to have a team.
Mr. Kenyo, just listen to me.
Yes.
You're the lead investigator on this matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you mandated to know everything that happens on any case that you handle?
Yes, and I'm human, prone to error. Can't quite recall everything. I have to refresh my archives.
Okay.
And at this material time,
Were you
the file is at
did you submit that particular file in person to the ODPP?
I was assisted by my teammate.
Who assisted you in forwarding the file?
Part of the respondents. That's not an issue in contestation.
So, in clarity,
Yes, Your
you
Honor.
want the court to believe you forwarded the file to ODPP for consideration, but you could now give clarity on when it is forwarded. Is that true?
Your Honor, the date for forwarding is not an issue. The fact remains, fact therein, the file is forwarded.
When you forward the file to the ODPP, who do you go and give it to in the ODPP?
It is not a specific, it's an independent institution. You cannot say you're highlighting a specific person. There are procedures followed. Okay, you forward, then you the same merits those procedures, the file is accepted as I've highlighted even when you're forwarding next.
Have you attached any documentations to show that indeed the file was forwarded to ODPP?
At the material point in question, when these allegations were filed, I believe I didn't have that file.
Let me ask you, I'll ask you a very simple question. You took the time to write in the replying affidavit
Yes.
that you forwarded the file to the ODPP. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you take the time to attach any proof that indeed forwarded the file to the ODPP?
These are documents I can
Mr.
even
Akinwa, it's a very simple question,
Yeah.
yes or no?
Yes, I've indicated one of my paragraphs.
So you have indicated
Yes.
you forwarded the file.
And I'm bold
So
enough to
have you
indicate
attached any documentations to show the file was forwarded to the ODPP?
the issue of forwarding, Your Honor, is not in contestation. The fact remains the file is forwarded. It's an independent institution.
You want us to believe your facts, but you do not have any facts to show that that has been done.
I have indicated to this court the file is not in my possession.
Mr. Kenyo,
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll take you to go to the last page of that exhibit.
G5, Your Honor. The last, come again?
The last page of that exhibit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Under the offense and section,
Yes, Your Honor.
you've stated that the intended offense is under section 27 and section 23 of the Computer Misuse and Crimes Act. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. During the material period under investigation, you must have at least something you're following up or inquiring about.
I'll take you to exhibit B8.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll also take you to the offense and section.
Yes, Your Honor.
The statement there is alarming publications contrary to section 66(1) of the Penal Code,
Yes, Your Honor.
selling property obtained unlawfully contrary to section 333 of the Penal Code. Is that correct?
Your Honor. The stipulated also therein
Mr. Kenyo.
offences
Mr. Kenyo,
are not, they could not,
Mr.
or are
Kenyo.
not the actual
Mr. Kenyo,
offences.
I'm asking you a simple question.
It is there.
I've read for you what you
Yes.
stated.
Yeah.
Is that the true position?
It is on ink. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is on ink, Your Honor.
Okay. Based on that particular inclusions of those statements,
Yes, Your Honor.
did that arise as you're ongoing, as you're undertaking your investigations, or before?
Your Honor, as per my understanding, we are not here to deliberate on any charges to be preferred upon any suspect therein.
Mr. Kenyo,
We are just deliberating on allegations.
Mr. Kenyo, it's a very simple question. I just want to know whether this came before the fact or after the fact. That's all.
Your Honor, you can clearly see this is a documentation, something to show at least documentation of release of the gadget was duly followed as per your directives, Your Honor.
So based on your statements, for an exhibit memo to move from one particular officer to the forensic lab, there must be an offense to be stated in a document, regardless of it being true or not. True or not?
I believe it's the law.
Yes.
It's the law. And that does not culminate to the final charge or preferred by
So
ODPP.
Just want to just listen to my question very clearly. It's a yes or no.
It's the law. There must be
So it's
proper,
no.
a proper.
Okay.
Yes.
Your Honor, that is all for this particular witness.